last installment of Vlogmas. Say hi, Nala. So today I just wanted to show you guys what I got for Christmas as kind of a last-ditch celebration, so without further ado, let's go. One of the first things I got was this cute little craft project that my aunt made me. She thought it might work as something kind of like a chalkboard for my classroom or something that I can use to kind of decorate my home. As you know, I love florals and I love floral design, so this is definitely something that's really cute and I'll probably be hanging up sometime soon. My two best friends, Chrissy and Craig, got me a cute little teacher starter pack, including an ornament that said Miss Quinn 2018, as well as this cute little mug with a floral design on it. They also got me some paper clips and push pins and all that, as well as painting this fun little kind of gem-shaped bucket for me. Something strange that I got but is like super necessary is this fabric shaver. It's meant to kind of go over any sweaters or fabric that have pilled up and kind of just shave away all the pills. So it's a lot easier than using an actual shaver or razor that I have been using. So hopefully I will get plenty of use out of this. This is something my sister got me and it's super fun. So if you open it up, it is a wax seal set. So all of these are little wax pieces, as well as this cute little stamp with a Q on the front of it. So whenever I seal up letters, I can stamp it with my initial. So what you do is you basically take this little spoon, heat it over this candle, and cut a little bit of the wax into it, pour it on top of whatever that is that you're melting or want to melt over, and just stamp this in. I love how the packaging for this looks like a little book. It's definitely something that I can keep on my desk and still kind of fit everything that I have going on. Something else that I was super excited about getting is this Rocketbook Wave. It's actually a notebook that can be completely erased. So this is the one that you can actually put in the microwave with a cup of water over this little circle, and it erases everything inside the book. And I think something that I want to use this for is I like to open it up and use one of the, not the pen that it comes with or the friction pen, but use something like a Sharpie or something that isn't going to dissolve in the heat, and kind of put in almost like a planner pattern for when I'm teaching and I need something that's a little more specific to however many periods I have in a day or however many hours I need to be planning for. I can make it very specific and particular to me, and at the end of the year I can just microwave the whole notebook and have it clean and ready to use for the next year. Another weird thing that I've actually been needing for a really long time is this guillotine paper cutter. I have one of the slide ones that has different designs and stuff on the edges, but the fact of the matter is it doesn't always come out straight. This actually has something where I can line up the paper on the side to whatever size that I want it to be, and then I can just pull it up like this and just slice it down, which is really nice. It'll definitely be really nice for cutting multiple sheets of paper as well, and goodness knows for a project I have coming up it would have been very nice. My uncle is always the one to get me power tools. This year's installation of power tools from my uncle is a rotary tool. So this has got just a ton, and I mean a ton of attachments to it. Obviously we have the cord, and here is the actual machine. You can insert different tools in the side, all of which came with it. I have different kinds of sanding things, buffers, just regular like almost drill bits. This is something that I'm really looking forward to using as a part of my continued crafting endeavors. Normally when it comes to Christmas, I'll ask for things that I want but would never pay for myself. So something I got from my mom this year was this Instax Polaroid camera. I know they're not as popular as they used to be, or as talked about anyway, but I love Polaroid cameras. I've always loved them since I was very little, and I'm really very excited to have my own. And I'm actually going to be going to Universal with my boyfriend, as I bought him tickets for his Christmas present, and I think this will be really nice to take pictures. And my grandmother got me a case to go with it, so very excited about that. And finally, here is the big one. My boyfriend, unbeknownst to me, spent a disgusting amount of money on a Cricut machine, which is again something I've always wanted but I would never buy for myself. This is something that normally my family would band together and everyone would put in $25 to $50 to get this for me, but He got it for me for Christmas this year, and I was very upset with him because this is just entirely too expensive, but I'm so excited. I've actually started playing with it a little bit, and it's just so cool and so much fun, and I can't wait to see what kinds of things I can do with it as a teacher and as a crafter as well. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for Sunday when I'll be showing you guys a very special craft on my channel. And I hope you all had a wonderful holiday season, and I hope you all have an excellent new year. See ya.